Hello, you guys. Welcome back to mywealthrobot.com. And in this particular video, it's going to be kind of a part two to the video that I done previously on how to make money online with little money. And in this particular video, this is kind of a side hustle. I will look at it more as versus trying to replace your full-time income. But you may be asking, why we on eBay again? Yep, we on eBay again, and you can actually, whether you knew this or not, you can flip cell phones. You guys be like, you can flip. I can flip cell phones. I mean, what do you mean? Let me show you. As I already done the work. I got you. See these? See? People are fixing phones and actually flipping phones as well. Let's go back here. See? They're flipping phones. They're flipping phones, you guys. See, you can come back and check it out for yourself. Go over the little tutorials or how to flip phones. Now, once you get familiar with yourself with how to flip phones for profit, you could go back to where I just left on how to fix iPhones. You can even buy broke phones and just fix them up, guys. I mean, right here is the tutorials for how to fix iPhones. There may be other tutorials on YouTube on how to fix other cell phones, but I just typed in this particular one because, this is, kind of what's popular with people. So you may be asking yourself, well, where do I get these cell phones, you guys? Okay, I'm going to show you. You're going to come to a website called Swapper. Now, Swapper, you can buy a phone here. Some of them are locked. I would suggest you buy a phone, unless you know how to unlock the phone yourself. I would suggest you buy the phones that are unlocked. Okay, so okay, we gonna go down right here. Just look at a few prices, and let's check it out. Let's check it out. See what we got. We got $489 Metro PCS. Okay, I'm back, you guys. Sorry for the pause there. Another train came back in, but you can check it out here on Cricket. You can buy it for Cricket, Straight Talk, Xfinity, or whatever. And you can also buy phones from another place that people may not have thought of. Craigslist. So I've chosen, I just chose a random city, Orlando, Florida. You can go down to the for sale. Okay, go right down here, click cell phones. Okay, all of these cell phones are going to pop up. Okay, all of them. Okay, so you have many iPhones right here that is for sale. You could buy some of these phones at a great deal, you guys, and just come back here on eBay and just sell them. You can make a profit that way. I would recommend you make sure you're getting it at a great price, so we can make money off of this, guys. Okay. Now you might be looking at this and say to yourself, iPhone 6. I mean, people are still buying it. Yeah, guys, listen. I don't care if it is an iPhone 6. People are still buying Apple products. Okay? Even the iPhone 6s. Don't let anybody fool you. Okay, iPhone 6s are still selling on eBay. Let's see if we can scroll down. Yep, here you go right here. See, it's a profit. See, already done the work for you. See, you got it for $74.99, going all the way up to $219. You can get unlocked iPhone 6s for $125. You can get an iPhone 8 for $350. Unlocked. Okay? See, I've already found a deal for you. See? That's profit right there. That's profit. Okay? So, like I said, you could place ads in Craigslist saying looking to buy phones for a good deal. Unlock. Make sure the phones is unlocked with no password in it. Okay. Make sure when you walk up on buy from these people, you guys, you make sure that you have them delete the password out of there, or you could delete it yourself once they open the phone for you. Delete it. Make sure it's unlocked, and you just purchase it, you guys. This is all you have to do. This is just basic groundwork right here. Okay. Okay. See, some people are already doing it. See, I just mentioned it. See, buying iPhones. Okay, they leaving their number and stuff like that up there. So we can continue to scroll down here. You can see it's all there here. We buy iPhones. We buy phones. Okay. Let me check this out right here. We buy new and used phones. See, this is what people are doing. See, this is a side hustle. Okay. This is a side hustle. Okay. So you can literally come on Craigslist. Okay. Or even Facebook. Okay. You can even go on Facebook and see if anybody, if there are any groups or anybody that wants to sell their phones or anything like that. Even if it's an Apple phone, even if it's broken, we can come right over here, you guys. Just take a quick tutorial, okay, on how to fix these phones, you guys. Fix them up, sell them for profit. Okay. Okay. It's not hard at all. Okay. So that's pretty much. Well, wait a minute. Maybe I think it's something else that you can do here too. You could buy them wholesale too. Okay. This is mostly this is for repairpartusa.com, another website that I found where you can actually buy the parts for the phone. Okay, they sell the actual parts, all the phone. As you can see, I almost forgot to tell you this, guys. I'm glad I looked up at my at the top of my screen here. They sell all the parts for any type of iPhone. Okay, so it's not an issue, you know, with you trying to find parts for it. Okay, even iPads, even Samsung. Okay, you can get some Samsung phones and do the same thing. You know, just long as it's, you know, not a maybe it's not a software problem or anything like that, to where it's nothing you really can do for it. Long as it's not those type of problems. I mean, anything cosmetic or something like that, you can replace it. Even Samsung. They even got the tools for you, you guys. They even got the tools for you. Screwdrivers, tool sets, opening tools, red tape and adhesives, screw mats. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit more. Okay, then we got the glass protectors, iPhone cases, data cables, chargers, earphones and headsets, wireless chargers, Okay, so you can come to this particular site here, repairpartusa.com, and click iPhones, and you really, that's a little business right there. You can start completely from home with not a lot of money. I mean, this website, it gives you all the tools, you guys. It gives you it gives you the tools, it gives you the parts, it gives you the screens, it gives you the screws. Okay, it gives you everything you need, even battery repair kits. Okay, iPhone tempered glass, it gives you everything that you need. So even if a person gives you a phone or says, I have an iPhone for sale, but the glass is cracked or it's broken, or maybe one of the cameras doesn't work, or or whatever the case may be. Just as long as it's not in too bad of a condition, of course, you could take that phone, repair it yourself by just watching simple YouTube tutorials on how to fix them. They're out there, you guys. You just type them in. Okay? You can do that. That's a whole business within itself for under $500. Okay? Now, of course, this is an excellent business idea for the person who don't have the money and who don't have the means right now to purchase the program that I have on my website. Well, that is the best way to make money online, in my opinion. Because this is for like people that survive it and on bare minimum. This is for bare minimum. So if you really want my number one recommended way to make money online, just check the description below. Click on the link below, and it will take you straight there. Okay. But this here right here, I found for you guys. This is for the person that doesn't have a lot of money, but they want to try to start something. Okay. So on that note, I thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.